Hey, my name is Additti. If you don't already know me, I'm a second year accounting and finance student at LSE. Today I'm going to be doing a vlog. I'm going to be showing you a day in the life of an LSE student. Everyone's days are different, but today is a special day, so I'm going to try and go through it. Today I have 2 lectures. I cancelled a class this morning because I was too tired. But later today I'm holding like a late birthday party event thing. My birthday was 3 months ago, but I was out of the country, so I just couldn't celebrate it. I really wanted to celebrate with my friends, so we're doing it today. And it's like this 2010s night that we're going to. We're doing enquiries at my accommodation and then going to the 2010s night. I have been home, but now I'm making my way to campus for my 12 p.m. finance lecture. So what we have is 12 to 1 finance lecture, then we have a 1 to 2 break, and then we have 2 to 3 the rest of like the finance lecture. Someone just walked past me, that's so embarrassing. But anyways, so right now I'm getting on the train. I think the train is like 5 minutes now, and making my way to campus, getting there a bit early just because like I want to talk to people. I always get there like a minute before everyone else, and then I never get to talk to anyone. It's just like boom, we're in the lecture. So I kind of want to take it slow. I want to get there like 11:45ish. You're gonna see a bit of what it's like to go to a finance lecture at LSE. It's boring, but you know. So I actually filmed this vlog in I think like October 22. So that was when I was in second year. Now I'm in third year. But I really just wanted to post it because then I'd have like a first year vlog, a second year vlog, and then I'm gonna do like a vlog or 2 in third year as well. And I won't lie, this is pretty much me just saying, oh, here are my friends, rather than showing you life at LSE. But like, let's pretend it's about the social life rather than the academic life. By the way, the reason the camera's so low is because I was filming discreetly. But lol, now comes the section where I go, oh my god, do you want to be in my vlog? Okay, so I'm on campus now with all my stuff, and I found friends.
How are you?
Okay, so I am with,
Johan.
and we're at the finance lecture right now. Hasn't started because we're early, and lectures and classes start 5 minutes past the hour, so we've still got like 10 minutes.
Hi everyone, I'm Vishant. I'm the cooler half of this duo.
More friends. Oh, Amandeep, get ready, man. Okay, so introduce yourselves.
I'm Darlene.
Hi, I'm Amandeep.
We're so cool. We're cooler than Johan.
Oh my god, hey, do you want to be in my vlog?
Oh my god, the incense.
So yeah, introduce yourself.
Hello, my name's Sam. I have the great honor of being Additti's friend.
So true.
Much more wholesome than mine. Stop.
Why? Is it my fault? Is that my fault?
Yes, it is.
That's
My name's Shafiq. Unfortunately, I'm part of accounting and finance.
So
unfortunate.
yeah, these are all my friends.
Oh my god.
This 8-second clip is literally the only clip of us doing actual work and listening to the lecture as LSE students. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. But now let's move back away from work.
Hey guys, taking over Additti for a second because I want to do this too. So this is the 4th floor of the old building at LSE. This is where people come for lunch breaks usually when they have really short ones in between lectures because we have to go back to our lecture after this. But yeah, here's the whole gang.
Hi guys, I'm taking over from Additti for a bit because she is napping. Or at least she's trying to. Right now she's just like sitting down and staring with like a weird smile on her face. Yay! Yay! Okay, bye.
Love Sam and Vishant for taking over like that. I was just getting so sleepy. You know, I just had lunch. I wasn't about to do another finance lecture and not have a nap, even though I wasn't actually very successful with said nap. But now I'm on my way back to accommodation because I am on my way to get ready for my party. Hey, so I am back at accommodation. I just came from campus. I took my jumper off there because it's so hot. I'm literally sweating. I'm drenched. I am gonna like start getting things ready. I need to have a nap first of all because I am tired. Then I'm gonna go back to you. I forgot to get back to you after I said I would, but I think I had a nap and then I was just like, let me get ready. So this is a time lapse of me doing just that. Okay, so I am ready. This is the fit. I was gonna say something. I can't decide between this jacket, it's like a blazer type thing, or give me one sec. This jacket, I'm thinking this one's gonna be a bit warmer. Actually, you know what? I think I'm gonna go this jacket. Like, it's just giving the vibes a lot more. Those are the shoes I'm gonna wear tonight. I'm not wearing them yet because I know my feet are gonna ache as soon as I wear them. But yeah, the room is pretty clean, pretty tidy. I'll just make sure it's completely tidy by the time they're here. I'm just gonna leave them in, pretend that doesn't exist. Also, I have my bag that I got from Primark the other day. Pretty nice. Someone left it in the queue last minute and I bagged it. Did you get it? Snacks are all outside. Drinks I need to get out the fridge. So I put these little gems on my face. That's cute. I feel like I'm overdressed, but then again it's my thing, so I shouldn't feel overdressed. This is the life of an LSE student. You know, you go to finance lectures in the afternoon and then, you know, you're here. I decided to wear my docs for now and then everyone's gonna come see my room. So then I put my shoes here to wear then. So then that way my feet won't be tired. Here's the view right now. Yeah, sun's setting. But yeah, oh, I'm gonna put this away. But yeah, I'll update soon. No one has arrived yet. I think it's like 6:10. At this point, people do actually start arriving. It's just me like, who are you? Apple. She is the first one to arrive. Or are you the first one to arrive? Technically.
Yeah, actually, I was the first one to arrive.
Your name?
Oh, yeah.
Your course?
Nursing. I feel like I'm getting interrogated.
You are? More people were arriving, but the thing is, I had to go down myself and let them in with the key. So it was like up and down, up and down, up and down the entire time during pre's. But yeah, this is Will, and he brought bubble tea, which was so nice. He wasn't really saying anything, and he wasn't really looking at the camera, so I just got rid of the audio. Today, so say hi.
Hello.
Say hi. This is going in. This is Wilson. And we have Sam again.
Hello, you're probably sick of seeing me, but hi.
And we have Vishant again.
Hello.
Hi! We're going on Additti's birthday party, even if she was born 3 months ago. Happy birthday!
Thanks.
My face will be redder than what you're wearing.
He's not even kidding, I'm telling you.
You want bet?
Why?
Try. Try
He
me.
gets really flushed very fast.
You'll think I'm suffocating. I'll show you. I'm not.
I guess we'll see.
Whoa. Hey.
Me again. I'm the show.
Okay, this was towards the end of pre's when we were like about to wrap things up, getting ready to go to the 2010s night. I was actually so excited. I love 2010s, like that era, that music. So I was so excited to go. Actually, everyone. Hello. We know each other from
Sixth form.
yes, year 13 economics is right next to each other.
Beautiful times.
That was so good. This is us on our way, but you know the one thing about me is that I love a good bus journey or tube journey with my friends. Like, it's just so much more fun. Also, by this point, everyone had arrived, so that's why you're seeing new faces now. Absolutely love them for playing Charlie XCX, but I had to mute because I don't want to get copyrighted. But yeah, this was a 2010s night. It was so cool. It was at the Bloomsbury bowling lanes and I genuinely loved it so much. Okay, so we're back in the flat and we're having a bit of a party. We just got so hungry, so we're eating. And look, this is a picture of us. Can I zoom in? I can't zoom in, but there's a picture of us that I got printed. Good night. That is the end of the video. That was a day in the life of an LSE student, second year accounting and finance.